Guys, I moved from 50 views to 7k plus views to 4k plus 2000 views, like magic. Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video I want to share with you guys some of the settings you need to turn on YouTube. Yes, some of the things you need to set on YouTube if your videos are not getting recommended, if you are not getting views on your videos, if your videos are not trending. Okay, it's not like they're going to get millions of views, but if your video are not getting views, you're not getting views, your videos are not getting recommended, your videos are not getting up to 1,000 views. I want to share with you guys what you need to set. Okay, something that you need to turn on the YouTube, so that your video will start getting recommended, your video will start trending, YouTube will start pushing out your videos, YouTube will start recommending your videos, so that a lot of people will get to see it and watch it. In this case, you gain subscribers and watch hour. Remember, you also need 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers to be eligible for monetization. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's drive into the video. Okay guys, so the next thing you need to do is to go to your studio app. Okay, do not use the studio app, that studio app. Go to your studio from the Google. Okay, just type in studio.youtube.com. okay, you go to your studio. When you enter your studio, the next thing you need to do is to check. You see these lines here, just check the lines. You will see channel customized, okay, which is this one here. You click on it and wait a little for it to open. Okay, when it opens, it is going to show you these things. See it, channel customization. It is going to show you this. Okay, so you set yours if you haven't set it. Okay, but that's not the main thing you need to turn on, so we are coming to that. Okay, so then you go to home tab. Okay, if you go to this home tab, you will see the first thing you will see is home tab. Show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. You turn it on. Okay, you see mine is on. If it's off, you turn it on. Okay, you turn it on like this. It is set on, it is turned on, so you turn it on. So the second one says customize the layout of your channel homepage with up to 12 sessions. So here you have to click add sessions. When you click here, you are going to see the things that you are supposed to turn on. For instance, you see this for you. You turn it on. For you is so that your videos will be recommended on For You page. Like when people are going through their page on YouTube, their timeline, they'll be able to see your videos. Okay, but that's if you have video For You. Okay, now see videos, see popular videos. You click on these things and set them on. Okay, for now, look at this one says featured video for returning subscribers. So I added a video. You will get it from this add session. Okay, you add a video for your returning subscribers. Okay, so that this will enable them to, after they watch your video, they will see your video and watch. And again, when they watch one of your video, YouTube will recommend another of your video to them. Okay, you add it. Okay, so this one is for returning subscribers. You add it. You scroll up, you will see For You. Let's see For You. This For You, now you click on that add session and add For You. When you add this For You is when someone comes to your page, when someone comes to your page, they will see a lot of your videos, even on their timeline. Like people that watch your videos, people that subscribe, even people that don't watch your video, YouTube will recommend your videos to them. Okay, so this For You, all you need to do is to click on it. Like if you click on it, it says what to include in the For You sessions. You go up. You see, when you go up, you see content type. You add video, you turn it on. Shorts, you turn it on. live streams, you turn it on. Okay, so down you will see like the content that you want YouTube to recommend to people. Okay, here it says I added all content. Okay, so you can put all content, you can put recent content only, but I choose all content. So your YouTube should recommend all my content to people. So when you choose all content, YouTube is going to recommend even your old videos that do not have views to people. Okay, but when you choose recent content only, these are videos within the space of 1 year. Okay, so it says here content you have posted in the last 12 months. Okay, so you choose all content. So choose all content so that YouTube will push all your content out. YouTube will recommend all your content. Okay, so when you are done, you click done. Okay, when you are done, you click done. So then after that, you will click on your shorts. Like if you click on this add session, you will see short videos. I've added them already. These are the videos I've added for you. Videos, popular videos, shorts. I've not added live now. Okay, so past live streams, I've added it. I've not added upcoming live streams because I've not set upcoming live streams. Single playlist, I've not added that. I added created playlist. Okay, multiple playlists, I've not added it. Or subscriptions, I've not added it. Featured channels, I've not added it. Top community clips, I've not added it. So you add this add session, you click on it and add the videos that you've created. Okay, so after you must have added them, they will show up here. Like this is short session, you will see. This is video sessions, you will see. So these now are popular videos. Like the first one has 32,000 views plus. This one has 10,000 view plus. This one has 6,000 view plus. This one has 10,000 view plus. This one has, like, these ones are the unpopular ones here. So these ones are the playlist I created. Okay, I added them from that add session and I turned them on. So these are the past live I did. Okay, I just did a little live. You know, I've not done live since I created my YouTube. So of recent I started doing live. Guys, doing live will help you to get long watch hours. Okay, and you know you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour for you to be eligible for monetization. So life will also help you to get watch hour. And again, when YouTube recommend your videos, you are going to get subscribers and you are going to get watch hour, because people will watch. A lot of people get to see your videos, they will watch and they will subscribe. Okay, and please make sure that your thumbnail is on point. Okay, and your title is also on point. So when you are done turning this on, then you go to your profile. Let's go to this profile. This profile, if you haven't set your YouTube banner, click on this and put it. Okay, so if you don't like the one you have already, you can change it. Okay, so you put a profile. Okay, you choose your name, and you also here on description. This description will also help YouTube to understand what your channel is all about. Okay, you write what you want your channel to be. So when you are done with all these things, the next thing you need to do is to click on this publish. Okay, if you click on this publish, then everything will be set. Okay, that's all you need. So guys, if you haven't turned on this, check this and turn them on. Okay, so that YouTube will start recommending your videos. Okay, so if we don't know how to create a playlist, you can indicate in the comment section so that I'll make a video on how to create a playlist, so that you create your own playlist, so that you put it on the category of playlist too. Okay, so guys, that's what I said. Let me share with you guys. If you're struggling to get views, you know you need views so that you reach your watch hour. If you're struggling to get views and subscribers, go and check this on your channels and turn them on. Okay, so turn them on, then publish it. You are good to go and upload a video. Okay, upload a video. So make sure your title is on point, your thumbnails, they are on point. Okay, then you are good to go. So guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching my video to now. I really do appreciate your time being here. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, join the family. Let's be besties. Okay, here on my YouTube channel, I do product review. I talk about skincare, also share tips on how you can grow your YouTube account. Feel free to join the family. Okay, feel free to check out my videos. You will see videos that will interest you to watch. See you on my next video. Thank you guys. Please subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Bye.